Hi there, this is an instruction video for the download Toon Studio Q6. This blend file is quite a huge giveaway for me, since I use this studio for my own productions of work. I made a studio to save time and speed up doing my work. I show you some of the possibilities, and then after that I show you a few important things to know before you can use it. This screen is to check the light. If I click here, right mouse button, press G, then I can change the position of the fill light, and also this way I can check the distance, and you see there's a light plane. I can move it in or out the box, and I can also change the size this way or that way, and I can make it very big like that. So with all the lights, there are 3 lights. This is the fill light, this is the key light, and that one is the hair light. I can change that as well. Then this view, I want to touch it because I want to check all the time what the camera sees. So right click, press G. You see that the camera is following the empty, this empty here. So if you put something, then you best put it somewhere around the empty, because the camera is going to focus on that. Then you can change the focal length of the camera, and these sliders are all animatable, so you can make an animation of it. This is the angle of the camera, and the camera follows the empty. This is for correction, because with the angle you want to make a correction of it, and this is the depth of field. This is the backdrop, and you can change the position of the backdrop. Let's put this on material, we see a bit more, and the ground level. So if you want to make a C, you can do that, and you can rotate the backdrop. The backdrop has also a spotlight. This is strength, so you want to see it. I can change the position, how big it is, and how soft the light is. Then this one is maybe confusing, because if you read ambient light, you think about ambient occlusion, but this is not ambient occlusion. This is the environment. This is the environment light. Since this is a studio with 3 lights already, maybe you use it occasionally or a little bit. Once you put on the strength here, you can mix between environment map or a solid color. Before you use this, you have to load an environment map, but I will show you that soon. Then a few things you need to know. That is how to use this. This screen, you press the middle mouse button and shift to pan, because if you don't press shift, you get this, and then it's not fun anymore to navigate. So you have here all controls. That's very nice. Otherwise you have to press here, press there. So this is quite a time saver, and this is supposed not to happen. I have to press N, I think, right. So there's that. If you want to use a control, the easiest way is right click, press G. Or you can use this, but the easiest is to right click, press G. And to zoom in, of course, use a scroll wheel, press shift, middle mouse button, etc. Then, as I said, this window, you can take a look around, select the character, press the dot on your keyboard, and you orbit around the that what you have selected. The next one is never touch this window. You want to take a look at what happens there. So that's your this is the camera, and I show you how to add the environment map. I think you have to go to node editor, choose this one. Which one was it? This one, yeah. And here it is. Here you see the environment texture. You have to choose one of your environment maps. So there's this one and then that one. Alright, I think I explained the most important how to use it. I hope this studio help you passionate Blender fans to get some ideas of how to get productive. I suggest you check my website. It's with a strange name, Freak over for Facebook. That's how I use my studio. And there are some tutorials if you plan to make business out of your hobby. Then you can check this as well. You can see here how I use this. Alright, now thank you for watching. Soon there will be another tutorial because there's a lot to see. I tell you quickly something else, and that is this one. That's the backdrop. If you go to node editor, you click here and then there. Here you can make your own texture. And I suggest you to use these sliders here in this row. And I have Voronoi, for example. And another trick, here, you plug this in here, you right click on the backdrop, and on your numeric keypad you press the slice, you click on render, and this is rendering fast because it is using the emission. So, and then you go here in this row, these rows, not this one, I suggest not to touch this. Then you can use any, for example, if you want to check a texture, you can do that, for example. And once you're finished with the mixing, you can mix it with also a texture. Then once you're finished with designing your texture, you go back here and you go back there, put this back on material and press render here. So soon there will, as I said, another tutorial because there's a lot to see. This character is rigged and has shape keys as well. So if where is, I have to press this, the backslash again, and press dot on my keyboard, zoom in. Oopsie. Press the dot, scroll, and if I check that, I can change the eyebrows, or it is not the best model, but well, this is a very, it is more about the studio. Alright, thank you for watching. Don't forget to check my website or other tutorials, and have a lot of fun with it. Alright, thank you.